Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind SpaceX, has ambitious plans for space exploration, his ultimate goal to establish a self-sustaining colony on Mars. Musk recently called for the ISS to be deorbited by 2027. This proposal shocked the space community as the current plan extends beyond 2030. Musk argues the ISS has served its purpose. He believes resources should focus on Mars exploration. This debate impacts the future of space exploration. The International Space Station, a symbol of international cooperation and scientific achievement, has been orbiting Earth for over 2 decades. It has served as a unique platform for conducting groundbreaking research in a microgravity environment, advancing our understanding of everything from human biology to materials science. However, as the ISS ages, its maintenance costs continue to rise. Some argue that these resources could be better allocated to more ambitious projects, such as establishing a permanent human presence on the Moon or even venturing further to Mars. They point to the fact that many of the experiments conducted on the ISS could potentially be carried out on Earth or on smaller, less expensive orbital platforms. Furthermore, the ISS is not without its risks. The station is constantly bombarded by micrometeoroids and orbital debris, posing a potential threat to the crew and the integrity of the structure itself. As the station ages, the risk of a catastrophic failure increases, raising concerns about the safety of the astronauts on board. The question of whether the ISS has outlived its usefulness is a complex one with no easy answers. While the station has undoubtedly made significant contributions to science and space exploration, its future remains uncertain. The ultimate decision of whether to deorbit the ISS and when rests with the President of the United States. This decision is not simply a technical one, but carries significant political and diplomatic weight. The ISS is, after all, a product of international collaboration, with contributions from 15 different countries. Deorbiting the station prematurely, especially against the wishes of other international partners, could have significant consequences for future collaborations in space. It could also damage relationships here on Earth, potentially impacting trade agreements and other diplomatic efforts. The President will need to carefully weigh the potential benefits of deorbiting the ISS against the potential risks to international relations and future space exploration endeavors. This decision will likely be influenced by a variety of factors, including input from NASA, international partners, and private companies like SpaceX, which have a vested interest in the future of space exploration. SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, has become a major player in the space industry, challenging the traditional dominance of government agencies like NASA. The company has developed a reputation for innovation and cost-effectiveness, achieving milestones such as reusable rockets and regular commercial crew launches to the ISS. SpaceX's involvement in the ISS goes beyond just transporting astronauts and cargo. The company has been contracted to develop a deorbit vehicle based on its Dragon spacecraft, which will eventually be used to safely guide the ISS back to Earth at the end of its operational life. This contract highlights the complex relationship between SpaceX and the ISS. On the one hand, SpaceX benefits from the existence of the ISS, as it provides a destination for its crew and cargo missions. On the other hand, Musk's vision for the future of space exploration, with a focus on Mars colonization, might be at odds with the continued operation of the aging space station. An early deorbiting of the ISS could free up resources for SpaceX to pursue its own ambitious goals, but it could also jeopardize existing contracts and potentially damage relationships with NASA and other international partners. The future of the ISS highlights the challenges of space exploration in the 21st century. Balancing scientific, technological, political, and economic interests is crucial for sustainability. Government agencies and private companies must collaborate effectively. International cooperation is key as more countries pursue space ambitions. Decisions on the ISS and Artemis will shape humanity's future in space.